Today, we're going to take a closer look at the Toyota vehicle showcased at the Japan Mobility Show. It is a unique mobility solution called the Kayoibako or Commute Box. This vehicle offers a distinctive design. It combines a boxy shape with rounded corners, creating a friendly and unique aesthetic. But what exactly is the Commute Box? Let's dive into the details. The Commute Box is a compact vehicle based on the Btob framework, designed to optimize space and offer a fresh perspective on urban transportation. It's compact, measuring just 4 meters long, but it surprises with a spacious interior. The cabin's design allows for flexibility and versatility. Under the hood, there's room for a battery, which is seamlessly integrated into the floor, providing over 1400 millimeters of interior space. Despite its small size, the Kayoibako offers a surprisingly large cabin with a front track width of 1855 millimeters. The vehicle has a total length of 3990 millimeters and a width of 1790 millimeters. Now, if you get a view of the interior, you'll notice that the Kayoibako features a pillarless design, which creates a sense of spaciousness and allows for easy access. This design philosophy extends to the rear, where the unique upward opening rear doors provide practical advantages for cargo loading and unloading. The rear step is also designed for utility, making it easy to transport goods and providing a flat floor that's typically challenging to achieve in conventional cars. The Commute Box's versatility doesn't stop there. The design includes various attachment points, allowing for customization and adaptability. You can use these attachment points to transform the vehicle into a mini camper, reflecting the forward-thinking approach of the Commute Box's design. The Kayoibako stands out for its low driver position, which is quite unusual for a vehicle of this size. However, this design allows for a comfortable and functional driving experience, while the lower floor height enhances the sense of spaciousness. The Commute Box also prioritizes convenience with features like foldable seats and a flat floor to make the most of its interior space. The vehicle's design incorporates playful and functional elements such as the roof lighting and the distinctive pattern found throughout the interior. These design elements reflect the Kayoibako's adaptability and versatility. In summary, the Commute Box is a concept model from JMS that embodies innovation, adaptability, and a fresh perspective on urban mobility. Its unique design and features make it an exciting option for those looking to embrace the future of transportation. Thank you for joining us in exploring the Kayoibako. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to share them in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe.